न'फोरनिफ्राय आरो फेक्ट्रिसफोरनिफ्राय जे दै गाज्रि ओंखारफैयो बेयावहाय ओमफ्राय बे दैखौनो गाज्रि दैखौ जोङो पाम्प खालामनानै माने पिउरिफिकेसन खालामनो थाखाय फेक्ट्रिसावहाय लांफायो आरो फेक्ट्रिसावहाय लांफानानै जोङो बेयावहाय मानेकि दस्रा स्टेजेस थायो आरो बे स्टेजेसनिफ्राय फैनानै दस्रा स्टेजेसनिफ्राय फैनानै बे मानेकि मोजां दै ओंखारनोसै मोजां दै ओंखारनानै बे जे दैखौ जोङो रिइउज खालामनो थाखाय मानेकि आरो खेमसे मानेकि न'फोरावहाय फिल्ट्रेट खालामहरफिनसै साबा साबा लिहा आं भेलेन्टिना लक्ष्मी रोंसार औ साबा
Actually, it's a hydraulic bridge. This bridge is the bridge which is used in London. It's a very useful bridge. It even saves time and it is helpful in many other ways also. In this bridge, you can use the bridge part to move the cars. The cars can move from here and down. There's water and this bridge opens up and allows the boats and big ships to pass below it. And then this bridge again closes up. This law is called Pascal's law. It is a law used in physics. This law is that when we use water to generate force instead of manually. So this is what we use here. Here we have connected a syringe with a pipe and another syringe is over here. When we give pressure in this water, it flows through this pipe and then this syringe it moves and opens up the bridge. And when we pull it again back, this even closes. Thank you. My name is Anselu Arun Osti and I'm from class 7 section B.
Good morning, everyone. So it is our project, Modern Township. So basically, it is a modern town that have every facilities as you can see over here. Every building has solar panels that can create its own electricity. We have windmills that can create electricity through wind energy. We have this water tank that can store its water whenever needed. We have the street lights that allow people to walk through in the night time. Here is a highway.
Street lights also ensure the safety of the people at hand. The roads are wide with street.
This township is designed in such a way that it provides all the necessary facilities for a living while also protecting the environment. The windmills and the solar panels can efficiently convert the solar and wind energy into electrical energy for the usage of the cities. The dustbins are here with the recycling factories that helps in waste management of the city. And that's it with our modern township. Thank you.